Wildlife. Ghetto. This is something different this time. Come, let's go tour to Korso. Let's see what we have here. Come on. So now we are entering the Heart of Korso train station. There's many drunken people. Supermarket. Little Tori, marketplace. And of course, pub and pizzeria. No one's caring about wildlife. Many people. Let's see the train station. What we have here? Something special. Nothing special. No narkomaniacs. Nothing but darkness and emptiness. Let's go quickly. Electric scooter man. Stairway to hopes to heaven. Piss and trash everywhere. Let's walk over here and let's see what we have here. Nothing but emptiness. There's a bar, Kippis. More empty stores. I think this is old bank or something. Sorrento. I love Korso. Some may, some no. This is Sorrento. This is where we are going next. It's 11 p.m. and we are in so-called Finnish ghetto. I was expecting more, but it's Saturday evening. Only drunken people, nothing special. More pizzeria and Nepal house. Let's see. Cutting something. And there's, I hope this, my lights shows. Station puppy. Hungry hoop. And Vantaa taxi. There's taxis, many taxis. And pub, of course. Some kind of something different. I'm doing it this night, in that night. The bus, the wheels brakes. And there goes the train. Now we are the Korso main street. There's barber shops and everything. Let's take a little door over here. Everybody says this is ghetto, but this is very peaceful nowadays. This is the northern section of Vantaa. Next to that is Tikkurila, and after Tikkurila there's Helsinki. So this is it. Apteek, mini pizzeria, ananas market, of course. Different. There are fences over there that no one is coming over there. There's a lot of robbery and thefts over here. But like I said, now it's very peaceful in here. Now we are on the other side of the street. R-kioski. Our kiosk. And of course, glasses shop. What? May logistics. Little door over. One bar over there, some kind of shopping mall, very empty, and pizzeria of course, and more pizzeria. So this is it, and drunken people of course, because there's some terrace, I don't know what it is. There's So, this was Korso. Pyöräkioski, pyörähuolto. Bicycle